Blackout Bingo rewards fast, accurate play, so the most useful way to improve is to practice the exact skills that affect your score instead of relying on luck. If you want better results in Blackout Bingo, focus on number recognition, accurate tapping, power-up timing, and learning the scoring system before entering cash competitions. Start with free games. Blackout Bingo provides gameplay that lets you learn the mechanics without immediately putting money into a paid tournament. Use this stage to build consistency rather than chasing a particular score. The first skill is speed with accuracy. When a number appears, you need to identify it and tap the correct location quickly. Rushing can create mistakes, so practice finding numbers without sacrificing accuracy. The second skill is learning the card layout. Spend your practice games getting familiar with where numbers appear and how quickly you can scan the card. The less time you spend searching, the more time you have to react to new numbers. Next, learn the power-ups. Blackout Bingo includes power-ups that can influence gameplay and scoring. Do not activate them randomly. Learn what each power-up does and use it when it provides the greatest scoring benefit. You should also pay attention to the tournament rules before entering a cash match. Different competitions can have different entry requirements, prize structures and formats, so the information displayed before entering is what you should use. Another useful habit is tracking your results. Record your scores across multiple practice games instead of judging your ability from one unusually good or bad round. Look for consistency before moving into paid competitions. When you do enter cash tournaments, remember that a high score does not guarantee a profit. You are competing against other players, so your result depends on how your score compares with theirs. Do not increase your spending simply because you lose a tournament. A losing streak does not guarantee that the next game will produce a win. The most practical strategy is to separate practice from paid play. Use free games to improve your speed, accuracy, card scanning, and power-up decisions. Then review the entry fee and prize information before deciding whether a cash tournament is worth entering. 3 things matter most. React quickly, avoid unnecessary mistakes, and understand your power-ups. The next step is to play several free matches and track your scores before spending money. Blackout Bingo can reward skilled play, but there is no guaranteed strategy that makes every tournament profitable. If these tips helped, like the video, and subscribe for more 2026 gaming app guides.